Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 7. So if you're just joining us for this series, check out the links in the description below for videos covering content for days 1 through 6. Today, we're going to talk about how income and assets impact the SAI, or Student Aid Index. So there are several factors that are used in the calculations to determine the Student Aid Index, which lets the colleges know how much financial need a family demonstrates. Parent income, assessed at 22 to 47% after an income protection allowance that's based on the family size. Every $1,000 over and above this allowance raises the SAI by $470. So you can see why our previous episodes on income reduction strategies was so important. Parent assets. Every $1,000 of a parent's asset adds $56 to the SAI since it is assessed at 5.64%. For the students, their income is assessed at 50% after an income protection allowance. So every $1,000 over and above this allowance that a student earns, they raise their SAI by $500. Students' assets are assessed at 20%. And so every $1,000 adds $200 to the Student Aid Index. So now you can see where it's most important to use the income shifting and asset repositioning strategies that we talked about in previous episodes. The Student Aid Index does not have to be this painful and shocking and disappointing number that so many parents, most parents don't like to see. With proper planning, we can influence the SAI legally and ethically. So that concludes day 7. Thank you so much for joining us. Please remember to like and share, invite others for this worthwhile and very beneficial content that we're sharing here. So we will see you tomorrow. Thanks again. Bye.